What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time, you guessed it, we're back with another stand I wanted to check out for you guys. Let's do it. So I was looking for different types of stands online just to see what was out there. And I ran across this one on Amazon. Now, this one was only about $8, but look at that form factor on that one. Now, it's all this aluminum body right here, folds all the way flat. Like I said, it only costs you about $8. It's a very simplistic construction to this stand, but the actual joints of it are very, very tough to move. So when you're carrying this stand around and you undo it and you put your tablet on it, you're not going to have to worry about your tablet falling off. And I want you to actually check that form factor on it. I'm going to fold the iPad up inside its case, just like that. And I'm going to hold these side by side, just like this. And you see, they're about the same width. So this is going to fit down in your pocket, in your bag. It's going to be really convenient. It's going to hold the weight of the iPad. It has a 270-degree range of motion on here. So pretty much any standing angle that you would like to get, you are going to have with this stand. Just like that. You can stand it like that in the air. You can put it on the table. Open your tablet up. Just put the case to the side for a moment. Just like this. Boom, stands up ever so nicely, just like that. You don't have to worry about it wiggling around and doing a lot of things in there. You actually have some little grips in here to hold the tablet, and you have some grips on the bottom to keep it from sliding on the table. So all in all, I think it's a pretty neat little stand. It's well constructed, it's sturdy, it's strong. You don't have to worry about it toppling over. What more can you ask for? It's a great little device, and it does exactly what it's advertised to do. And it's extremely thin. So like I said, guys, I picked this up on Amazon. I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and check it out for yourself. These stands they can run up to $50 and $60. So this is one that's very minimalistic, very simplistic, cheap, and it gets the job done. Oh, it's strong and sturdy as well. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Remember, I'll drop that link below. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.